Welcome to Primeasia University ePayment system. First tutorial, I will introduce the basic overview of ePayment system. You can check it from the YouTube, which URL in the description box. Today, I'm going to show you how can you pay bKash payment channel for ePayment system. So let's go.
First, open up your favorite browser and in the address bar type URL www.epayment.primeasia.edu.bd.
Our welcome page will be appeared. To pay your tuition fees, first you need to log in. So click to the Login Now button or ePayment login from the main menu.
After appeared the login page, you need to log in using your Primeasia University student ID and UMS password. After logging first, you see the dashboard panel.
To pay your tuition fees, click Pay Now button. In the first tab, it will show your basic information, that is your full name, student ID and student department.
Click Next. Here you need to enter your email address and phone number. Make sure that your email address and phone number you enter correctly, because after complete your payment, it will send the confirmation through your email.
Click the Next button to go forward. And here you need to enter amount to pay. After correctly enter your payment amount in BDT, click Pay Now button.
It will redirect the SSL Commerce payment channel. Choose your payment channel to pay the amount.
Now, I would like to pay this amount by bKash payment system. So go to Mobile Banking tab and choose payment method bKash. It will appear the bKash payment panel. Now enter your bKash account number and click Confirm. A verification code will be sent to your bKash mobile number. If it need to get verification code more than 2 minutes, then it will expired. So in this case, I have taken more than 2 minutes to get verification code. So after entered the verification code, it is shown that OTP verification time expired. Now you need to click Recent Code link to again send the verification code to your mobile. You will get an SMS for bKash verification code. Enter the verification code and click Confirm button. Now you need to enter your bKash PIN number and click Confirm button. Now it is shown that your payment has been completed successfully and it is redirecting to your ePayment system dashboard. A notification is appeared, Payment done successfully, in the right top corner of the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see that total payment 10 taka and today payment 10 taka. You will get a confirmation SMS to your mobile number for the payment. Also, you will get a confirmation email from SSL Commerce for the payment.
Now you can see your all of the payment history by clicking My Payment button.
After complete your tasks, from here you can exit from the application by clicking right top side logout button or left sidebar menu item logout button.